What is up? Happy Thursday. Great to see everybody. Today, we do tunnels for our aquariums, and I ended up doing a corral in the past for some floater plants to keep them away from my other plants so that they could grow. So if you want to see that, let's come check that out. I had this corral in a previous video, but the suctions keep coming off of it. So I wanted to 3D print something different. It's gonna not be like some of our other tunnels that we've created for our other fish. This is water lettuce and red root runners. We wanted to create something that could divide them from this other side where I got a bunch of different plants. This side is gonna be mainly for the floaters, but as you can see, the guppies love it over here and a bunch of the snails love it too. And here we go. On the right, we have our plants, and on the left, we have our floaters. We can keep the snails all in one place for feeding too, because as you can see, we have a bunch of snails in here. We have assassins that we feed these ram's horns to, so we do try to keep an abundance of them. So it ends up working out really well for the guppies. They use both sides, and it was way better than this corral. It provides a lot more floaters for more nitrates and other chemicals to be absorbed. I really like making content like this. Aquariums, tunnels, swim-throughs. So if you end up liking these videos just as much as I do, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next videos. Peace.